Purchased a Blue Ridge oil furnace probably 3 months ago now. Real happy with the purchase. Fantastic. Started looking online and came across Alpine and saw the Blue Ridge unit. So pleased with the way that furnace was packaged. Just fantastic. It got here 3 days early. Put it in myself. It's sweet, easy. I was able to use the existing ductwork that was in there already, which is fantastic. And since then, it's been working fine. Just super quiet. Love how quiet. They replaced a unit that was, 30 years old. And, there go the dogs. But yeah, overall, just fantastic. Couldn't be more pleased.
I found the Blue Ridge furnace online. I compared it to other furnaces available, and I thought it would be a great buy. Everything works good, sounds quiet, seems to be efficient. We actually did the installation ourselves. Yeah, it was very easy, yeah. Happy with the product.